Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install or download BurnFit workout plan and log. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, go to your Play Store or App Store, then search BurnFit workout plan and log. You can see BurnFit workout plan and log down here. Now press install. The app may take a while to install, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed in your mobile, open it and enjoy using your workout plan and log. This was for today. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video.